Hi friends, I am Shovraj Pal and you are watching Knowledge Hub. So how are you guys in this lockdown situation? I know everyone is bored in their houses. So today I am bringing up an opportunity for you. Do you want to earn money in this lockdown situation with doing almost nothing? I know it is a yes from your side. It 100% works. It is a original information. So to know which website, how you are going to earn money and which type of work are you going to be offered, please be with me up to the end of this video. You are going to be helpful, I guarantee. And without wasting time, let's get started. So today we are going to talk about how to earn money online. So firstly, we need to know the website. So now I am going to discuss about the website. The name of this website is Digital One India. So firstly, we need to open our browsers. Here is my browser. Chrome is open here. Now in the search bar, I need to type the name Digital One India, as you can see. So here is the search results of Digital One India. So we are going to the first option here. So yep, it is a home page of Digital One India, and from this website you can earn easily from your home by some data entry job or captcha filling job. They have multiple jobs for you. So firstly, here are some steps. They are informing you that first you need to register here, then start working, then get payment. And this is a legitimate website. As you can see, they have their employer number, and then here is some detail over there about the company, and here is some frequently asked questions. And if you wanna know about this, you can pause the video and just read it out. And here is the register now button. We first need to register ourselves. Click on the register now button. Here is a form. You have to fill up this form according to your name, your email address, your mobile number and passwords. I'm just giving my details. Then you have to set your country, then city, and you have to check the I agree button to check all the terms and conditions according to this website. Then tap on the create account button. As I have already registered here, so I'm not going to register one more, so I'm just clicking on login here. So after clicking, this page will come up to your screen, and now you just need to type your email address and your password. Then hit on the login button. So it is loading. So here is my profile. You can see this is my license key. You should note down your license key. And here is my balance, rupees 60 rupees. And here is some jobs. Here is the captcha entry job, the snippet entry job, data entry job, form fill up job, and page typing job. So at the first moment you just have the captcha entry job because it is free. So we are going to the captcha entry job. It is truly easy. So I am just going to demonstrate some captcha entry so that you can do it easily. So here is our captcha. So you just need to type it down here in the second box, 20407, and you have to wait till the countdown is over. For that time we are just going to see some detail over there. So as you can see that calculate your earning, they are saying that how much captcha you will enter in 1 hour. If you are going to enter 400 captchas 1 hour, it is a very easy and simple job. So I think 400 captchas 1 hour is not a big deal. So after that, if you are going to do that, you gonna earn 128 rupees daily, and weekly 896 rupees, and monthly you are going to earn 3840 rupees, and yearly it is going to be 46720. So here is some difference between your premium plan and the free plan. So we are in our free plan here, so we are going to earn this type of money through the captcha entry job. So if you are willing to earn much from this side, so I recommend you to buy the premium plan. Here is some differences between the free plan and the premium plan. You are going to earn 40 rupees per 1000 entries, and in case of premium plan you are going to earn 60 rupees per 1000 entries, and review time is 4 hours, and in case of that review time is 30 minutes, so you are going to be paid more faster, and waiting time is 70 to 80 seconds, and you can reduce it by purchasing the plan up to 15 to 25 seconds. So you are going to do more captcha entry jobs if you are going to pay for it, if you are going to purchase the premium plan. So here is the work limit, 3000 captchas per day. If you are willing to do more than 3000 entries, then you are not capable of doing this here because you are restricted. And if you are in premium plan, you can do it, and you can do it unlimited times you want. And here is some benefits of premium plan and some instructions. You have to keep in mind that you have to follow these instructions carefully. If you are not going to follow any of this instruction, you are not going to be paid. So be careful, guys. And here is our save button pop up here, so I'm just tapping on the save button. It is going to be saved, and next captcha is uploading here. So in this way you are going to do your captcha entry job one by one. A captcha will appear onto your screen. You have to enter the respective numbers here. So now we are going to see another type of jobs here. So next is snippet entry job. So I think you know what is snippet is. So here is a snippet demo here. As you can see, here is the ID and etc, dates and loop number etc. You have to fill up these numbers accordingly here in this given box. You don't need to type the ID here, you don't need to type the dates or etc, entry date, account number, reference number, loop number here. You just need to type the datas respectively. And if you are going to do 500 snippet entry job daily, you are going to earn 250 bucks per day, and you are going to earn about 7500 per month. So here is the example of snippet entry job, and now I'm going to show you the data entry job, how to do the data entry job. So here is the data entry job. It is loading up here. So data entry document is loading. So here is the data. You can see that in the above portion, here is the data, demo data here. You have to enter that data in this box, this data entry box. You just have to read it out and rewrite it here. And if you are going to do 450 paragraph writings, then you are going to be paid 13,500 rupees daily, and it is a totally legitimate website. You are not going to be cheated, I guarantee you. And it is a very good website, and you are going to be paid 1 rupees per paragraph, no limits and anything. So you have to follow this type of instructions carefully. Now we are going to see the form fill up jobs, how to do the form fill up job. Form fill up jobs are very effective type of data entry jobs because you don't need to type lot much of thing instead of paragraph writing or the captcha entry. So here is a form. In the left side of our screen we have the form handwritten. We have to write it in this format. So as you can see, the first name you have to write it down here. You just need to type Ajay, and the last name. In this way you have to fill the form properly, and you are going to be paid 20,250 bucks per month, and it is giving you 1.5 rupees per form fill up, and there is no limits and you can work anytime. So here is no time limits also. Then the next one is the page typing job. So here is a demo paragraph here. You can see it is quite large, it is quite long, but you are also going to be paid a big amount, 8 rupees per page. So I think for 8 rupees it is enough. I think for 8 rupees it is quite good deal. If you are going to do 80 page writings per day, then you are going to be paid 19,200 rupees per month. And if you are capable of doing more, let's say 100 page entries, then you are going to be paid 24,000. So it is not a bad deal, guys. You can check it out. It is a very good website. You can earn money, and they are offering a good amount of money. Now we are going to see the reports. So from the report section here, you can do check your reports, how you are doing your jobs, how much you are going to be paid for your jobs, and which entries are correct, which entries are wrong. You can check it out from the report section here. So we are going to the report section. So here is the reports. As you can see, respectively you are getting here the captcha entry reports, the snippet entry reports, the data entry reports, and it is followed by the form fill up reports and page typing reports. And I am just going to the captcha entry report. To check my report, you just need to click on the get report option, and you are going to redirect it to the report page. So here is the report. As you can see, right captchas, I have entered total 11 captchas, and within that 10 were correct, and one is in the review. It is not yet checked, and 0 wrong. So total earning is 0.4 rupees. So by 10 captchas you are going to earn 0.4 rupees. Now the next thing is how you are going to be paid from this website. So you just go to the withdraw money here section, withdraw money, and you can see that here is the update section. So you can see that from here you can add your bank details. Now you have to give the account holder name, then the account number, then the bank name, then the IFSC code here. So as I have not enough balance in my account, so I'm not capable of connecting my bank account with this website. So you just need 350 rupees in your account to get connected with your bank. When your account balance is above 350, then you can connect your bank account to this website. Next. So after that we are just going to check my profile section from here. So here is the profile section. Here you can see that here is my details, my email address, my phone number, etc. You can give your address from here, and if you want to give your birthday, you can do that too, and your occupation, favorite color, etc. So after that we are heading towards the help desk. So as you can see, it is the help desk. You can ask help from here. Here is some contact details, some contact person names, and their email addresses, and some toll-free numbers. After that you can have logout section from where you can log out. So in this way you can earn money online without any hassles by just entering captchas. So you can't count entering captchas as a job. So I can say that you can earn money without doing almost nothing. So that's all for today, guys. I want to mention a thing that there are many websites in this field from where you can earn money by data entry, by giving survey reports, and by affiliate marketing, etc. From you can earn money from your home, and it is really too easy to earn money these days when you have quite good internet connection and a device with you. I will make more videos in this topic, how to make money online and how you are going to earn money as fast as possible. So please subscribe, guys, if you want to know about this more, and share it with your friends who need it eagerly. So I think this video is helpful for you, and I have given the links in the description box below
from where you can check it out, this website. And if you have any type of doubts regarding this video, then please ask me in the comment box below. And if you are not a subscriber yet of my channel, then go and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell icon so that you can get the notifications as early as possible. So take care and goodbye.